Airpods. Everybody's loving them. My friends are raving about them. I'm feeling left out, so naturally I go online to try to order a pair. Come to find out they're almost $200 here in the United States. No thank you. Knockies have heard the cry from our wallets and answered back with the TWS-i9s, a $40 AirPods knockoff. Are they worth getting? What do they do good? What's missing here? And are they even worth it? Those are just some of the things we're gonna answer here and more. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Here we focus on tech reviews and tutorials. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have an awesome community and I would love for you to be a part of it. Now, before we get into the review, I just want to say that the guys over at Knockies were nice enough to send over an extra pair for one of you lucky people to win. Stick around to the end of the video for details on how to enter the giveaway. Now, even if you don't win, I have a discount code for you guys to use. At checkout, use code YETI10. That'll save you 10%. Links will be in the description down below. So unfortunately, I don't have any AirPods to compare with these, but I have used them in the past, so I know what they sound and look like, and these are pretty much a one-to-one clone of Apple's AirPods. The case and the earbuds are the exact same size and look as Apple's, which translates to a really elegant design. I mean, Apple's known for making some really nice looking products. There's no denying that, and the Knockies are no different here. The charge case that holds the earbuds is compact enough to fit into the smallest of pockets, which is great if you're a girl. I hear you guys are stuck with some pretty small pockets. That kind of sucks. Now, if you don't like filling up your pockets or for whatever reason you just don't have any room, these earbuds do come with a silicone case and a carabiner, which you can use to attach to like a backpack or a belt clip. Now, I can see that being really convenient if you're like a hiker. Now, one of my complaints with the case is the connector type. It charges via micro USB, but I just wish instead we were given Type-C. It's 2018 and I'm just straight up sick of seeing micro USB. Now, I'm sure in the next iteration, Knockies will listen to us and swap that out with a Type-C port. Now, this is a charge case, so the case can charge the earbuds on the go about 3 times. On average, you're looking at about a 45-minute charge time, and the earbuds will give you a little over 3 hours of music playback respectively. Something I am happy about is that when the case is shut, there is no rattling whatsoever. I found that to be an issue with a lot of other true wireless earbuds. The lid here is magnetic, which allows you to quickly access the earbuds. Now, I have to say, from a comfort standpoint, these things take the cake. I tend to have problems when it comes to earbuds fitting comfortably in my ears. I don't know what it is about my ears, they're probably weird. But most of the time I get pain, and the ones that do fit tend to fall out, so I'm stuck readjusting them every 10 minutes or so. Now, neither of those is a problem here, and these are definitely in the top 3 most comfortable earbuds for me. One cumbersome thing about the earbuds though is the button on the side of either earbud that acts as your power on-off, controls your media, and allows you to answer phone calls. It does things of that nature. Now, I say it's cumbersome because the button is just too flush with the earbuds, which, if you're looking at it from an aesthetic standpoint, it's a good thing, but when it comes to usability, it's just awkward and hard to actually find and press this button. So more often than not, I kind of end up taking out my phone and controlling my media that way. Now, when it comes to taking phone calls with the TWS-i9s, everyone comes through crisp and clear. It is worth noting that whoever you're going to be talking to will only be coming through one earbud. Now, this is typical with most all third-party true wireless earbuds. Everybody said that I sounded a bit hollow though, almost echoey. So while I did come through clear enough for them to hear me, now finally we get to the most important part of the review, the bread and butter, the sound quality. Now, vocals come through loud and crisp. There's no distortion at higher volumes. Bass is there, it's not as deep as I would have liked. It still sounds great though. I mean, given the price point, you can't really knock them too much. For $40, they definitely exceeded my expectations. Mids, lows, and highs are all there, and they all sound great. If you need a cheap, true wireless solution, maybe you already have AirPods, but you need these for the gym, you don't want to lose your real ones, or you just like the look of AirPods, but you don't like that price, these are a great option. Sure, there's a few things that definitely need some improvement, but for $40, what earbuds don't? These are definitely not a bad choice for music whatsoever. If you want to check them out, check that description. I'll leave a link there for you. And hey, don't forget that discount code. Now, if you would like a chance to win the other pair that I have, these ones, there's just one requirement, and that's that you are located in the United States. Now, I'll be doing the giveaway over on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me over there at Yeti Machete HD. Links to that will be down below. Sometime within the next couple of days, I'll post a picture of these earbuds. Simply drop a comment on that photo and I'll pick a winner at random. Now, if you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. If you disliked the video, hit that dislike button twice. Let me know what I could have done differently. If you haven't yet, check out some other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one. The case can charge the earbuds. You got some earbuds.